Very good morning to everyone. In this lecture, WE8451 Linear Integrated Circuits and Applications. Unit 5 Application ICs. Now we move on to the syllabus of Unit 5 AD623 Instrumentation Amplifier and its applications as load cell weight measurement and IC voltage regulators LM78 and LM79 series, fixed voltage regulator and its applications as a linear power supply, and LM317723 variable voltage regulators, and switching regulators SMPS, and also the finally we discuss the function generator 8038. Now today we are going to discuss the AD623 instrumentation amplifier. So this is a IC configurations and pin configurations. So there are 8 pin configurations AD623. So the pin configurations of AD623, the pin number 1 is a gain, that is a RG. It is a inverting gain terminal connected to resistor to set a gain's value, and pin number 2, it is a inverting input, the inverting input pin of the operation amplifier, and pin number 3, it is a non-inverting input, the non-inverting input of the pin of amplifier, and pin number 4 is a supply voltage negative supply terminal, and pin number 5 is a output reference input normally connected to common, and pin number 6 is a amplifier output pin, and pin number 7 is a positive supply voltage, and pin number 8 is a non-inverting gain terminal connected to resistor to set gain value. Now what are the features of AD623? Here the AD623 instrumentation audio amplifier features and specifications are there. The first features is a rail-to-rail instrumentation amplifier. It can operate on the single and dual power supply. Operating range, operating current is a 550 microamps. That is a maximum current rating. The gain range is a 1 to 1000, and also the bandwidth is a 800 kilohertz, and set gain with only one resistor, and available in 8 pin dual inline packages. Now we are moving to the where to use the AD623 instrumentation amplifier. The AD623 is an instrumentation amplifier which with rail to rail features. It also operates at a very low current of 550 nanoamps, making it suitable for battery operated applications. Generally, the instrumentation amplifier is a type of differential amplifier that has buffer amplifier connected to their input pins. This eliminates the need of impedance matching, thus making it practically suited for measurement and testing equipments. And what is the rail to rail APAM? The output pins of normal APAM will not be able to provide voltage that is equal to the supply voltage. This is because of the output stage transistor which prevent the amplifier from reaching the maximum positive voltage or maximum negative voltage. The rail to rail APAM overcome this problem, and hence the output pin can reach either positive rail voltage or negative rail voltage. Now we move on to the How to use AD623 IC. The AD623 only required a resistor to set its gain value and hence can be easily set up. Very basic commonly used circuit for AD623 is shown in figure. The IC is powered using the pin 7 and pin 4. Here I have used a single supply voltage of plus 5 volt, hence the pin number 4 is grounded. If a dual supply voltage is used, the pin 4 will be provided with negative voltage, and the non-inverting pin number 2 and inverting pin number 3 is connected the single signal which has to be amplified or compared based on the application of op-amp. This reference pin is normally grounded along with pin number 4. The reference pin is used to direct and output towards a voltage when the difference voltage between the inverting and the non-inverting pin number 07. The gain of an op-amp can be set by simply connecting the right value of resistor across the pin number 8 and then pin number 1. Here I have connected a resistor of value 500 ohm which will set the op-amp at a gain value of 100. So the formula of to calculate the value of gain from R is given below. G is equal to 49.4 kilo ohm divided by gain of the resistance into 1. So alternatively you can also use the chart below the which the value of resistance and standard gain values listed. We can see the chart below, the table of required value of gain resistor. 1% of standard table value of the gain resistance is a 49.9 kilo to 5.4 and 2.61 to 499 and 249 to 49.9. So it can be calculated the gain, and then the second value of the 49.3 is a 2.002 is a gain calculated. Now what is the applications of AD623 IC? Now here the applications, it is used the power sensitive applications circuits and calibration and test equipments, low power medical instrumentation applications, and it is used in different amplifiers and data acquisitions devices, and also the control system processes. So today in this session we are discussing the AD623 instrumentation power amplifier with a weight loader measurement. Thank you for watching this video.